Spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 11, I think. You guys can see I have my test pencil ready for my final that I'm heading to right now. It is 11:12. My final starts at 12:10, and then I have to go straight to work after class. I should have left my camera with Seth and let him vlog, but he probably wouldn't have. He's gonna be stuck home all day because I'm taking the car and his Mazda cannot make it down this icy hill that I'm about to go down. Let me show you guys. So this is the hill that I'm about to go down. So yeah, it's gonna be treacherous. 34 degrees this morning. It's so cold out. So cold. It is a lot later now. I'm home from work and I'm right now finishing this final for my psychology class, and we're also setting up our Alexa that Seth got me for Christmas, and Seth is playing some COD. Seth, do you want to tell your story what happened earlier? We did like the Christmas tree and it's just not very pretty.
I was playing my game and someone knocks on the door. I'm home by myself and he wouldn't respond to me. I tried to ask him who it was.
Can you do the demonstration? Can you do that? Show him like what happened.
I know what I'm doing. And basically I just told them, you know, I was trying to get getting them to say who they were. They didn't say, so I locked the back door. I got the knife, went back to the front door, kept it behind my back, and then I just opened up the door, and it was a police officer. Story short.
And what'd they say?
They were just looking for someone. But no one here.
That was a great story.
I'm having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
Keep trying. Keep going, girl.
Drink with me, love it with some bad chemists. Lean with me, pop with me, get high with me if you rock with me.
Oh, what time do you get up in the morning for work?
Currently 1:28 a.m. It is lit. Yes, look at that. Look at that. So much fun.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, yeah.
It's like you're actually in the world of
Look how handsome my guy is.
COD. Who's your guy? Bruno?
Yeah.
And you worked really hard to get him? Lots of So in the morning we're leaving to go to Gatlinburg, and we will bring you guys along with us and vlog. I can't even vlog around here. Alexa, call honey.
Calling honey, black heart.
Calling honey, black heart.
It calls me from my phone. It's only connected to my phone, and it calls me from your phone, but your phone isn't connected to it.
And that's not, you don't have that as an old number, do you? No? Shit.
What? No, it's your new number. Hello? Hello? I mean, who am I talking to? I'm so confused.
Underground boys.
Like, how's it calling me from your phone when you're not calling me from your phone? Alexa, sing Jingle Bells.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Pretty good. Hey Alexa, turn the alarm off. What's the traffic like to Gatlinburg?
Right now, traffic to Gatlinburg looks good. The fastest route takes about 3 hours 17 minutes via US 23 and I-81.
Play Christmas jazz. Turn the volume up.
It's time for mistletoe and holly. Taste.
Good morning, guys. So we are heading to Gatlinburg. We got our coffee and our breakfast, and Seth is right now getting us some gas, and then we're heading to Gatlinburg for tonight, and then we're coming back tomorrow. So we're gonna vlog while we're there, hopefully do some fun stuff, and so let's get going.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you